What if I told you that every decision you make might not be entirely yours? A bold statement, but one that neuroscientist and primatologist Robert Sapolsky has explored with great depth. Sapolsky, a professor of biology and neurology at Stanford University, has spent his career studying the intricate dance between our biology and behavior. Welcome to Ledge AI, your hub for growth and realizing potential. Join us for insights and tools that transform lives. Subscribe and turn on notifications for resources that empower your journey. Together, we unlock greatness. Now let's dive deeper into today's topic. He proposes a provocative idea. The notion of free will, as we traditionally understand it, may not exist. Instead, our decisions, actions, and behaviors are significantly influenced by our biology and environment. From the intricate workings of our brains to the societal structures we find ourselves in, these external factors play a significant role in shaping our choices. Let's take a moment to unpack this. The concept of free will suggests that we are the sole authors of our actions, independent of any external influences. We like to think that when we choose between a salad or a burger, stay late at work or leave on time, react calmly or lose our temper, these decisions are made freely, based on our conscious will. But Sapolsky challenges this. He asserts that our biology, the intricate web of neurons and hormones inside us, along with our environmental influences, impact these decisions on a much deeper level than we might realize. Our genetic makeup, the food we eat, our upbringing, our culture, even the weather, all subtly nudge our decision-making process, often without us even noticing. So what does this mean for us? It's easy to view this as a disheartening revelation, casting us as mere puppets to our biology and environment. But Sapolsky doesn't see it that way. Instead, he believes that understanding these influences can empower us. It can provide a roadmap to navigate our behaviors, shaping them in ways that lead to personal and professional success. So, if our actions are not entirely our own, can understanding this help us improve our lives? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into Sapolsky's insights and explore how to thrive in a world where free will might be more of a myth than reality. Imagine your life as a stage and all your actions are controlled by invisible strings held by biology and environment. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but rather a reality grounded in the insights of renowned neuroscientist Robert Sapolsky. Sapolsky's research paints a staggering picture of our existence, showing us that our decisions, our behaviors, even our quirks, are not as self-determined as we might like to think. Instead, they are the result of a complex dance between our genes and our surroundings. Consider your morning routine. Do you reach for a cup of coffee because you choose to, or because your genetic predisposition for caffeine, combined with a culture that glorifies the morning brew, leaves you little choice? According to Sapolsky, it's the latter. And it's not just about coffee, it's about why you prefer certain colors, why you chose your profession, why you react the way you do in a traffic jam. These are all outcomes of the intricate interplay between your biology and environment, often occurring subconsciously, without our active participation. But what does this mean for the concept of free will? Does it mean we are mere puppets dancing to the tune of our genes and environment? Not quite. While these forces significantly influence us, they do not control us. We are not passive recipients but active participants in this dance. Sapolsky's research does not aim to belittle our sense of agency, but rather to deepen our understanding of ourselves. By recognizing the invisible strings that guide our actions, we can begin to see how our perceived limitations can be turned into opportunities for growth and transformation. We can start to understand why we behave the way we do and use that understanding to guide our actions more effectively. We can create environments that foster success, and we can make choices that align with our true goals and values rather than being unconsciously swayed by biological and environmental influences. Now that we know the puppeteers, let's see how this knowledge can enhance our work performance and personal success. Can understanding the influences on our behavior lead to improved work performance? Let's plunge into the depths of this question using Robert Sapolsky's wisdom. Sapolsky tells us that we're like marionettes, our strings pulled by the puppeteers of biology and environment. But what if we could learn to dance with these puppeteers? What if we could use this understanding to enhance our work performance? Let's start by looking at our work environments. They're not just physical spaces, but a complex interplay of social dynamics, individual personalities, and the tasks at hand. If we comprehend the environmental influences on our behavior, we can shape our work environments to foster creativity, collaboration, and efficiency. Imagine a workspace that is cognizant of its employees' biological rhythms, allowing for flexibility in work hours. Or a team that understands the effects of stress on performance and actively works to mitigate it. By being aware of these puppeteers, we can pull the strings in our favor, creating workspaces that are not just productive, but also nurturing and harmonious. Next, we come to decision-making, a critical aspect of work. Our choices are often influenced by our biological predispositions and environmental cues. Recognizing these influences can assist us in making more informed, rational decisions. It can help us avoid impulsive actions and instead opt for choices that align with our long-term objectives. Finally, let's talk about team dynamics. Each team member is a unique blend of genetic makeup and life experiences. This understanding can lead to greater empathy and improved communication within teams. It can help us appreciate the strengths and weaknesses of each member, fostering a sense of unity and mutual respect. So, can understanding our puppeteers enhance our work performance? Absolutely. By recognizing the biological and environmental influences on our behavior, we can create nurturing work environments, make better decisions, and improve team dynamics. Understanding our puppeteers can indeed enhance our work performance, but what about personal success? Personal success isn't just about achieving goals, it's about understanding oneself and others. The concept of free will, or rather the lack of it, doesn't just impact our performance at work. It extends its influence into our personal lives, the relationships we form, and how we interact with the world. So how can understanding our lack of free will foster empathy? The answer lies in the profound realization that our actions and behaviors are shaped by a complex interplay of genetic, biological, and environmental factors. When we truly grasp this, we can better appreciate the perspectives of others, not as independent choices, but as outcomes of their unique life experiences. This empathy nurtures deeper connections, promotes understanding, and cultivates a sense of compassion that transcends mere tolerance. It encourages us to approach conflicts with an open mind, fostering harmony in our relationships, and allowing us to navigate life's challenges with more grace and resilience. Understanding our lack of free will can also spark personal transformation. It empowers us to create environments that foster success, to surround ourselves with positive influences, and to consciously cultivate habits that align with our goals. We become active participants in our personal journey, not as puppet masters, but as dancers, moving in rhythm with the strings of life. Personal transformation is not about changing our strings, but learning to dance with them. In this journey with Robert Sapolsky, we've discovered a new blueprint for life. We've learned that understanding the puppeteers of our behavior, our biology and environment, can enhance our work performance, foster empathy, and help us navigate life's challenges. With these insights, we can create environments that catalyze success and growth. Remember, it's not about controlling the puppeteers, but dancing with them. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating exploration. Remember, understanding our puppeteers can truly transform our lives. Thanks for tuning in. If you found value in our journey today, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Check the description for extra resources. Keep embracing your path and striving for greatness. Until next time, take care.